Welcome back. In this video, I really want to share with you what buyer's agents do when they are conducting their due diligence on their computer. Well, sometimes you might do some from your phone. I personally prefer to do it on my computer because I've got a large screen, and a lot of the due diligence that we do on our computer is it's graphs and it's maps. And I like to be in a comfortable chair and have my cup of tea next to me and get through it all. So I'm now going to take you through what we do when we conduct due diligence on our computer, leaving no stone unturned. Leaving no stone unturned. Now, a lot of people think that a buyer's agent, you hire a buyer's agent because they've got the contacts with the real estate agents, with the sales agents. And yes, we do. And we work hard to maintain our relationships with them. But most of the work we do is due diligence work. If you can put yourself in our shoes, we are buying a home for you on your behalf. And the worst thing we could possibly do is buy a dud. That's the worst thing we could possibly do. Make an error by not researching something correctly or thoroughly. That's the worst thing a buyer's agent can do. Can you imagine if you bought a home and then you found out that the back deck wasn't council approved and it was unsafe and it had to be ripped down and replaced if you could afford to do that? Can you imagine what it would be like if you bought a home and found out 3 months later they'd started to build a block of flats next door? There's just so many scenarios. Can you imagine if you bought a home because you wanted to put a swimming pool in the backyard and you couldn't because there were sewage pipes running through the backyard? That's the real due diligence work that we do. That's really what we get paid to do. A lot of people think that the real job of a buyer's agent is to have access to off-market opportunities because of our relationships with the sales agents. And yes, we have good relationships with our sales agents. That's our job. But the guts of our job is due diligence. Let's have a look at what that entails. Consequently, there's a list. There's a wonderful checklist that I've created so that you can conduct due diligence just like a buyer's agent. Let's have a look at that.